welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off our eye comfort mode. Friends, you want to turn off your eye comfort mode, so as you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off eye comfort mode in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel guys and guys you are watching my video first time, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to turn off eye comfort mode. Friends, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see the setting guys, click on display and brightness. Again scroll guys, you can see eye comfort, tap here. So guys, you can see your eye comfort mode setting. So friends, you want to turn off, so you can turn off from here guys. On your screen guys, you can see eye comfort mode. Front of guys, you can see this icon, so guys tap here to turn off. So after turn off guys, you can see screen color will be normal. So like that guys, you can turn off your eye comfort mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.